Hello vlog, welcome back. It has been it's been over a week since I picked up the camera. We have been so busy and I want to do a sit down video to talk to first time home buyers about the first couple of days when you move into your new construction home, because what we know now, oh my God, the body, the aches, the pains.
And I'm still working.
All the good stuff. We have so many updates. So now I'm kind of set up to film. I'm excited. We're headed, I don't know if you're going with me. We're going to Home Goods to get some office goodies.
I have too much work to do right here.
Well, I'm going to Home Goods to get some goodies to see how I can kind of make my office. And I'll do a review for you guys once I have a little bit more set up. But right now it looks like this.
Yeah, it's all over the place.
I don't have anything. I have everything.
Ooh, you showing my project?
I don't have anything. Oh yeah, I don't have anything new in here. Just everything I had in the apartment. But let me show you. I think this is our first DIY project. Is it our first?
Yeah.
His first DIY project.
In the new house.
I was nervous, y'all, but he did it. So let's go check it out. Let me follow you with the camera. Hold on. Ignore the messes. Look, you guys.
Look what I have created. Look what I have created. Fire.
Look.
Fire.
You want to open it? Look at the patio doors. Now, let me preface this real quick so y'all understand why we're excited. All right. Let me get you adjusted. All right. Can you see that? So you know how most patio doors have those ugly vertical vinyl blinds, and we hate those. We've dealt with them for the last few years, and we knew that we did not want that. So we found these in what store? Menards. The lighting is kind of washing us out, but they're, when you open them, you see they look like that, and then when you close them, they're 6-foot panels.
6 panels.
6 panels.
And they're about 84 inches.
And look at that. How modern. Look at the color.
Much better pop.
Look at that.
And who knows? Maybe there's a remote control I can buy for it.
Possibly. So the brand, what's on the box?
The brand is made by, what's that?
Lumino.
Lumino.
And the color is?
Cordless, and the soft white.
Soft white. And the 6 panels you can see. 6, and it comes with the
perfect size for a patio door.
And then look at the color, because we didn't want to close the kitchen off. So let me get you adjusted. He did a great job. Let me get these lights right here, because it's kind of
I get it.
The lights over here is kind of throwing off the. Let's see. Can you see? Look at that! Oh my goodness. Okay, that's better. Look at this, you guys. So beautiful. And then you want to open it. What's her name? Dana? What's the lady like from? Vanna White. Yeah, look at that. So one box was $100, and it was a good deal. And we love this color because it does not close off the room. Good job, babe. All right, so to Home Goods I go. Okay, real quick. Was it?
That's our daughter up there.
Oh, real quick. So how was the install? Was it difficult? Anything?
It was, let me put it this way. When you get these DIY kits, their instructions are lacking.
Kind of like IKEA?
They won't show you. No, I think IKEA is better. At least they explain it to you in the words. They don't tell you much in the words. You may get one sentence, and it will not tell you every step of what you're doing. So you're left to figure out a lot of this on your own.
So the tools that you use to put this together, for most part, the main tools.
Gotta measure it.
Okay. Any personal information?
Studs. No. Gotta find studs.
Stud finder.
Yeah.
All this he got from Menards.
Yep. You need pencils to mark off things.
Yep. These.
Leveler.
Yeah. And he got a big one too.
And then I had bigger the better, because you want to cover a lot of space and make sure the whole space is level. And then of course a drill.
And then a drill gun. And look at the texture. You can kind of see, like, it's kind of hard. I was so zoomed in. So, thank you, Day. Right, I'm headed to Home Goods, and maybe I'll bring you guys with me. We'll see.
Yeah,
the battery is really low. All right.
Bye, guys.
Bye, Bob the Builder.
My name's not Bob anyway, but I do build.
Bye.
Just call me.
Look at that.